Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the HMD Watch P1, and on this video, this is our second video, we'll have the unboxing review of its main menus and features. So we'll check the loaded features for this wearable. Okay, so this is our smartwatch, and when we purchase the wearable, we have at least three straps for the smartwatch from HMD Watch P1. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the features of our HMD Watch P1. Human mobile devices. So here are the features here. We have a 4-day battery life, 700 active modes, so very good number of sports functions. We have the smart alerts. You have a reply here. I don't know if this is for the push notification or calls. We'll check it out. We have custom watch faces with studio, health monitoring function, particularly the heart rate, sleep monitoring, and blood oxygen. Fit Squad challenges with bodies. We also have here track fitness, steps, and calories. I guess this is automatic activity tracking. But anyway, let's check out the smartwatch here. So we have several watch faces here. So the same steps, long press to change. On top we have here settings and options. On the bottom part we have a live sports score. We have notifications on the left side and the widgets on the right side. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. Okay, and as you can see here, it is not rotary. You have to swipe up and down to navigate on the menus. So we have here the Bluetooth call with support for phone book, dialer, and a call history. We also have here activities. We'll check it out later. Activity records. We have the heart rate monitoring, SpO2, and sleep monitoring. The UI here, as you can see, very simple, very basic. Even the icons here. We have breathing exercises, push notifications, the stopwatch, the timer, alarm. We also have here a flashlight, camera control. The screen display is very responsive so far. We have a Bluetooth music control, Find Phone, voice assistant. We have games, at least 2 games here, 2048 and Hamster. QR tray, this is I guess for the support app. You have the settings here, the watch face, the screen sleep. Okay, so what is the highest? 15. We have the ringtone dream, silent mode. Only 2 options, it's either silent mode or ringtone dream. Wake gesture, vibration. We also have here the do not disturb mode, the QR code for the app, Watch P1. We have the system here, restart, power off, and factory reset. And we have the about section. So for the sports functions, let's check it out. We have activities. It states here that we do have 700 plus active modes. I don't know if it's already available here, or you have to use the support app to add the sports functions. But anyway, let's check it out. Okay, as you can see here, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We only have 15 sports mode here. I guess you can add and remove sports functions here in our HMD Watch P1 with our support app. But so far, the sports loaded here is only 15. Okay, so again, here are the menus and features. You got the basics and the advanced features here, such as AI voice command. For the sports functions, I guess you have to access the support app to add more sports or to add and remove sports functions here on your HMD Watch P1. Okay, so that's it for our HMD Watch P1 Smartwatch, loaded with 700 plus sports activity, as you can see here. Then if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.